Summertime is here, and there's gonna be times when I want to do my makeup, you know, do something subtle, natural, soft. And the less makeup you have on your face, especially during the summertime, the better, because it's just too hot for all that extra stuff, you know. So if you guys was looking for a specific makeup look to do for the summertime, this is the one. This is the makeup look. This is like perfect. No foundation, okay? This is no foundation, so it's perfect because your face is not gonna feel so heavy. It doesn't even feel like I have makeup on. It feels very lightweight. I wish you guys could see this in person because it looks so good. I feel like on camera you can't really see what's going on for real. So we're gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did to get it to look so nice and blended. Starting off with a clean, fresh face, I like to do my skincare routine before putting the primer on because sometimes I might forget to put the primer on, but as long as my face is clean, then that's all that matters. So for my eyeshadow, I'm just using my foundation stick, which is basically the same stick that I use for contouring. The key to this makeup look is to use less product and just blend it out as much as you can. This video is long overdue. Like, I was been supposed to do this video and I just got the chance to do it, but y'all are gonna love this look because I feel like this look is good even if it's not the summertime. If you're the type of girl that just like, you know, minimum amount of makeup, this is gonna be perfect. This is probably one of the best concealers I've tried, and it's so cheap. You can get this anywhere, Target, Walmart, the drugstore, just anywhere, and it gives a natural coverage. Like, you really don't need to put too much. The best part about not putting foundation on is that the makeup gets done quicker and it doesn't feel heavy. Looking back at the times when I would do my makeup, I cannot believe I used to use foundation all over my face, like even on my forehead, under eyes. Like, it was just so unnecessary and a waste if you really think about it, because you're still gonna get the same results with just contouring. But there was also a point in my life where I was not contouring my face. I was not using no type of bronzer, nothing. I did not have no type of definition to my makeup looks. Like, it was just straight foundation and concealer and a little bit of powder, and that's it. I had no structure. Like, if you really think about it, bronzer just brings back the structure to your face. And not only that, but it also provides like a warmth to your face. But back then, I did not have no type of warmth to my face, nothing. Like, it was just so plain and dull. But now I do my makeup so much better. Like, it's 10 times better. So like I said, the only thing I do on my forehead is just concealer and bronzer and a little bit of powder, but that's about it. I don't really do too much with my forehead. Okay, so this part is optional. You don't have to do this part, but I like to do it because I like the bright under eye look. But for this look, I only put a little bit and then I blend it out with my beauty blender. I mentioned this in my last makeup video, but whenever I'm using this, I like to blend it out immediately because for some reason, when you leave it there for too long, it becomes hard to blend out. I don't know why, but comment down below if you ever experienced that, because every time I use it, that happens. So I like to just immediately blend it out. This blush is dangerous. Like, all you need is a little bit, but if you get carried away, it's gonna be a lot on your face. So just put a dot, blend it out, and if you feel like you need more, put some more and then blend it out again. Again, the key to this makeup look is blending. So when blending the concealer, the blush, the contour, you're gonna have to use the brushes multiple times just so everything is blended and there isn't any harsh lines. This is my favorite setting powder. Like, I don't use any other setting powders. This one, once you put it on, your makeup is not gonna crack. It's gonna last all day. And I got this from Amazon years ago and I still have some because every time I use it, I only put a little bit, but this one definitely recommends. So there's a new trick that I do when dusting off the setting powder. I pat it into my skin first and then I dust it off. Because before I used to just dust it off, but I've noticed that when you pat it in first, it looks so much better. Now on to powder blush, and this one is not even mine. It's actually my mom's. I ended up using it because she wasn't using it, so if I need it, I'm gonna take it. So it's mine now. This is actually a really good blush, by the way. Really pretty color. See, this is why I love this bronzer, because you could use it for anything. This is my favorite part. Like, I love doing this because it just makes my eye makeup look so much better. So for my waterline, I'm only putting a little bit because I want it to look as natural as possible. So I glide it very lightly. This is like my go-to lip combo, and everyone always say that they love it so much. That's like the best color to go with because it just looks so nice and natural. By far the best lipstick, lip mousse, lip stain, whatever you want to call it. I use this one all the time. I feel like it goes with every type of look, and the color is just so pretty. This is the same one that I used in my last makeup video, but it gives like a matte finish. You really don't need to put lip gloss with this because it looks good as is, but I like the glossy look. But if you like that type of look, then I recommend this one. And they have way more colors too. Like they have other colors that are really pretty. Also, if you want the ombre type of look, all you have to do is just put more lip liner after you put the lipstick so that it could give like that ombre effect. I'm using the NYX Sugar Glass lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss. This is probably the only lip gloss that I've tried that isn't sticky. But yeah, y'all, this is it. This is how I do my makeup look. I still cannot believe this is no foundation. Like, this is crazy. But yeah, the key is just to make sure that you blend it out as much as you can. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have everything listed down below for you guys as always. I almost forgot to mention I have lash clusters on, so if you guys was interested in seeing how I installed it, follow me on Instagram and I'll see you guys on the next one.